Hi parents, this video is for you to understand how to access the quiz for your kids and how to analyze their learning progress. So you just have to go to quizatem.com. Once you are here, you just have to go here and click on sign in. You will get the option as parent, teacher and organization. You have to click on parent. Then you can either log in with the WhatsApp code or you can simply click on email and password. This process comes after the registration is done, and for registration we have different video that you can refer to. So I'm just entering one of the details that I have so we can have an understanding about this. So now I have signed in. As you can see, this is how it looks like. In this you will be able to see the latest score. That means the score the kid has scored for the latest test, the average, whatever average has been there for all the tests he has taken. As of now, the kid Simank has taken 23 tests and the progress is shown. So if last week it was 30% or 40% and this week it is 50%, it will show the difference in the progression also. Everything, you can see the chart below that shows the progress of the test he has taken. If you will go here on the left side, you can see AI tutor. We'll come to that, but let's see take home test. Take home test is nothing but homework given by the teacher. If you click on take home test, you will see if any test is assigned by the teacher in the school, it will come under to do. If any test is missed, has not been attempted, it will show under missed. And as you can see, the kid has taken 3 tests, so it is coming as 3 tests in this. Now suppose there is a test and I want to see the analysis that how my kid has done. I don't have to do anything. I just have to click on analysis and it will show me everything. My score, average in the class, how many questions were correct, what was the topic. Whichever topic was weak or is weak, it will show topic by topic. That means this topic needs to be catered. It is showing weak. If I have to show question by question, every question that was created is shown here. I have just skipped it. This is just for the education or instruction purpose. That's why you are seeing this. Apart from this, you can see it like for your kid. Now if you will go to this topic by topic, you can suppose this is a topic mechanics and my kid needs help in this particular topic or this particular question. I just have to click on explain this topic. So you want simple explanation, standard explanation, in-depth explanation. So as of now, I'll just click on simple explanation and click on this. It will go ahead, it will draft an explanation of the topic where my kid needs help. You don't have to go anywhere. Everything is given. Everything is done here. It's one platform where you take the test, you understand the gap where the kid needs help, and at the same time, if the kid needs to resolve it after not being able to do it in the quiz, he can just come to this section, click on the analysis for that particular topic. The whole analysis will appear. As of now, you can see. Yes. Now see, it's there. Everything about mechanics is shown. It implies to every standard, every student, real numbers. If you want to go for any English, Hindi, social science, geography, everything will come here. Now I'll just go back. So this was all about the test given by the teachers in take home test. Now suppose there is a exam. So now what I'll do, I'll go to exam calendar. See, tomorrow there is an exam. You can see whatever exam or whatever test my kid has, I can see all the upcoming test here. As of now, we have just for the dummy data, we have put that there is an exam tomorrow, physics class test, and then on 27th we have Hindi midterm test. So you will be updated about everything, what kind of test, what kind of exams your kid is going through. Then you just have to go to practice quiz. This is the game changer. I'll give you my example. Suppose my mother was not an expert in biology, but I was struggling in biology in class 10. Now when she was checking on me that how I have prepared about biology, I simply told that I'm ready, because I know she cannot she cannot cross check that I'm ready or not. But what we have done for the parents, suppose if you don't know biology, you just, or physics, let me take the example of physics. I just have to put physics. I have to select, I selected first law of motion as the topic. Done. Then I have set the quiz. It will start generating the questions for that particular topic. So now what it implies, that eventually your your kid is in class 6, class 8, class 10, doesn't matter. If you want to cross check how well he's prepared about the exams or the test which is upcoming, which you are obviously tracking under exam calendar, you just have to come to practice test. You have to select the class. You have to select, obviously you don't have to select the class because the profile is already built. You just have to select the subject and the topic, whichever topic is coming in that examination or the midterm test, and you just have to click on generate quiz, which I did right now. Now once you wait for 45 seconds, that's what I am doing. Once you have waited for 45 seconds, the quiz for that particular subject and for that particular chapter will appear. Now you can ask your kid to attend the test in front of you, and you can check how much he has scored. So you can check about how prepared your kid is about that examination, and need not to worry about it. If there is a topic where he's struggling after the test, as I have shown in the other take home test panel, the same way you can use analyze the weak topic. See, the quiz is ready. Either I can start the quiz on the same, as you can see, I can start the here, or I can send the link to my kid on the another phone and he can attend from there. As you can see, I can select topics, everything, how many questions I want, everything can be done here. Now come the real thing, attendance. This is how it looks like. This is how your kid has been present in the school. In August, you can see all the days he has been present. In case if he is absent, you will see it in red. Everything, see the days he has been absent, everything is showing. The attendance is excellent, so you don't have to go anywhere. So if your kid is leaving for school from your home, if he's reaching school, you'll be able to see on a real-time basis that yes, his first class, his class 0 or the first class of the day, the attendance will be marked, and you'll be able to analyze here that he's present in the school or not. In case if he's not present here, it will be marked absent and you can cross check. Then comes the test history. Whatever test has been taken, everything will be appearing here. I'll just have to go here. I selected this. He has scored 75%. 6 are right. His strong topic is this. Now suppose this is the one question he has done wrong. I clicked on it. It will show the correct answer, what wrong answer my kid did, how to get to the right answer. The tips or the solution will be given there. Now suppose this topic was law of motion. Suppose this is not a strong topic, this is a weak topic. Or let me go and find out a weak topic. Let me go here and see which topic. Weak topic is mechanics. Okay, it will come as explain this topic. You can go here and find the explanation. So this one application is gonna take the score, average, the gaps, the test taken, the upcoming exams, the upcoming tests, attendance, everything. If you want to track what's happening with your kid in the school, this is the application you need to log in, nothing else. Thank you so much.